Flying is my one true love. It takes me to a place that I just can't even describe. The views that I get to see are just awesome. I tend to help people who want to learn how to wing walk. I'm so chuffed to be able to show what we do, because I think people think it's a lot easier than it actually is. That's probably the biggest struggle, being a girl in aviation. People seem to think that you can't look awesome in a superhero suit and actually still do a really cool job, and something that's mentally and physically really challenging. I climb around an aeroplane and go 165 miles an hour. The 5-year-old me would think this is absolutely ridiculously awesome. It's great seeing girls at air shows as well, because I could count on my hands the amount of female pilots I've met. It's awesome to sort of just raise that as an issue and show girls, in particular young girls, that they can do whatever they want and still just be as good as the men.